Move over apples and bananas, your reign as the go-to fruits is being challenged. There's a new fruit capturing hearts and taste buds around the globe, the kiwi. This unassuming little fruit is making waves in kitchens and markets everywhere. This small but mighty fruit, with its fuzzy brown skin and vibrant green interior, has become a breakfast staple for those in the know. Its unique appearance and delightful taste make it a favorite addition to morning routines. But what's behind this kiwi craze? Why is everyone suddenly talking about this tiny fruit? Could it be the refreshing tanginess that awakens the palate, the burst of flavor that makes every bite a delightful experience? Or perhaps it's the whisper of health benefits spreading through wellness circles. Rich in vitamin C and K, fiber and antioxidants, kiwis are being hailed as a superfood. Whatever the reason, one thing is clear: the kiwi is here to stay. Its versatility in recipes, from smoothies to salads, and its health benefits ensure it will remain a beloved fruit for years to come. Don't let the small size fool you. Kiwis are bursting with nutrients. This unassuming fruit packs a bigger nutritional punch than you might think. One single kiwi provides a significant amount of your daily vitamin C needs. That's more than an orange. Kiwis are also a good source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which are crucial for digestive health. Plus, they contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin E, folate, and potassium. The health benefits of kiwis are not just folklore, they are backed by scientific research. Studies have shown that regular kiwi consumption can have a positive impact on various aspects of your health. For instance, research published in the journal Nutrients found that eating 2 kiwis daily can improve iron levels and reduce oxidative stress. Another study in the Journal of Nutritional Science linked kiwi consumption to improved sleep quality. Section 4. Your body's best friend. How kiwis boost digestion, immunity, and weight management. Kiwis are not just delicious, they are packed with nutrients that can significantly enhance your health. Looking for a natural way to support your overall well-being? Kiwis might just be the answer you've been searching for. Look no further than the kiwi. This small green fruit is a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. The high fiber content in kiwis aids digestion by promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive tract, and kiwis provide a generous amount. The abundant vitamin C in kiwis acts as a potent antioxidant, boosting your immune system's ability to fight off infections. Vitamin C is essential for the growth and repair of tissues in all parts of your body. Additionally, kiwis are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a satisfying snack that can help with weight management. They keep you feeling full longer, reducing the temptation to overeat. Incorporating kiwis into your diet can be easy and fun. Add them to your morning smoothie, mix them into a fruit salad, or simply enjoy them on their own. With their unique flavor and numerous health benefits, kiwis are a fantastic addition to any meal. Start enjoying the benefits of kiwis today, and give your body the boost it deserves. Section 5. Start your day the Kiwi way, the perfect breakfast edition for a healthier you. Adding a kiwi to your breakfast routine is effortless and delicious. This vibrant green fruit is not only visually appealing but also packed with essential nutrients. Enjoy it sliced on top of yogurt and granola, where it adds a delightful tangy flavor and a burst of color to your morning meal. Blend it into a refreshing smoothie, combining it with other fruits like bananas and berries for a nutrient-rich drink that's perfect for on-the-go mornings. Or simply cut it in half and scoop out the goodness with a spoon. This method is quick, easy, and perfect for those who prefer a no-fuss breakfast. Whichever way you choose to savor it, kiwi is a fantastic way to jumpstart your day with a boost of nutrition and flavor. Its high vitamin C content helps support your immune system, while the fiber aids in digestion. Kiwi is also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage. Including kiwi in your breakfast can contribute to overall better health and well-being. It's the perfect way to fuel your body and mind for the day ahead. So why not make kiwi a staple in your morning routine and enjoy the myriad of benefits it offers? Section 6. Join the kiwi conversation. So, are you ready to embrace the kiwi craze? Share your favorite ways to enjoy this incredible fruit. Like this video if you learned something new today, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let's spread the word about the amazing benefits of eating kiwis every day for breakfast. Comment below and tell us how you plan to add kiwi to your morning routine.